Hello everybody, welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I got another unboxing from another Swisher Apparel. I was addicted to the red rum, and I'm a huge baseball fan, Detroit Tiger fan, and everything I see on there from Mr. Swisher it looks like he's heavily involved in the baseball as well. And so I went ahead and ordered another Swisher Apparel cap, and let's go ahead and get right into it. This is baseball themed. It is called the Backstop. So let's go ahead and get it pulled up here. Come on. You see, I should have invested in a knife, guys. I gotta invest in a knife. All right. Yeah. Same type of thing as the red rum that I did a review on. Already steamed. Stuffed really nice and well, so it holds its shape and shipping. Again, this is something that you would get from a small business trying to earn your business rather than a corporate like Boston Scally that takes your business for granted. And like I said, I'm a big person that would support small businesses. And this is just one of those perks you get with supporting that. Again, this is the Backstop. Definitely a baseball themed cap. Going to take this out here. It's got the same kind of interior lining. I did get a 60 centimeter Swisher Apparel. Same kind of lining as the red rum that I did a review on earlier. We're going to go ahead and, but yeah, it's a sharp looking cap. Again, love the red. That's what we go. It's like a reddish burgundy. Really lightweight. This is definitely a summer cap or something above 50 degrees. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and pause the video, show you close up, and I'll be right back. And here's a close-up of the Backstop. Again, that two-tone cap. This is a 6-panel cap, definitely for the warmer months. Of course, you got the inside. Swisher Apparel, 60 centimeter. Man, just high-quality marksmanship, craftsmanship here. Yeah, I'm glad I got turned on by these. I'm sorry I was late to the game there, Mr. Swisher, but you have got a customer here now. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We're going to try it on, and let me know what you guys think. All right, so here it is, the Backstop. Let's go ahead and try it on. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. There it is. The Backstop, great colors. What, you want outside there, Ace? No, you just want to play around? Yeah, this is a great cap. Yeah, top notch. The way that packaging is keeps the form. I love how they steam each cap. It saves me 30 minutes by not doing that. Again, this is Swisher Apparel. I'll put a link in the description of how to get these caps for their website. Highly recommend. Again, this is a size 60. I wear a 59, but this fits perfectly. Again, this is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these Swisher Apparel caps. And everybody have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.